Ooh, boy, you focus. I love roulette, fellas. Look at that stack, boy.
It's payday. Payday.
Hey, 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 hey.
Payday.
Hey, man. Say,
Payday.
man. I love this man's shirt, y'all. The casino in the links and all. Look at that shirt. Look what it says. Describe it to me. What the shirt say?
Oh, you know what? It's my favorite things in this world, you know? A little bit of beer, my Niners,
Okay.
and I love the boobies. You know how we do it.
Bullshit. Plain and simple. You don't want to pay the shit. Y'all don't want to pay the shit. It's simple ass fucking money. You don't want to pay the shit.
Sir, you know what the surveillance say? You know, watch this guy here, okay? What the surveillance was saying? You were
Bro, you just look at all the surveillance. Go 3-5 times. It's the same shit.
I can't do
I
nothing.
play the same shit.
They got the beer in that. And they got retail. You got to look at Megan Thee Stallion, y'all, in the Wax Museum, Las Vegas. It's gonna cost $100 too.
What ticket? What ticket? Okay.
How much?
What we doing? I don't know what we're doing. Come here. On the chair, okay? You want to get your phone?
Real man. Look how little this man is, bro. This is a real human right here. Look at this man. How you doing, man? How you doing? Leave.
I got you. You see, the face is over here.
Train? Okay.
What type of snake is that? It's an albino boa.
Oh, albino. Oh, okay. This how baby walk out. She got her new bracelet. Look. All of a sudden, she handicapped. What's wrong? And stay still. What's wrong with you? 6:30 in the morning. We leaving White Castle. We just outside. Oh, a bus coming. Oh shit, we about to die, baby. Don't let's go, but we die.
What the fuck?
This stuff is beautiful, man. It's in a whole nother world. And this is all within a piece of color. It's beautiful. Sounds good. It's a waterfall up here. Oh, yeah, man. This is a nice waterfall. It looks beautiful. It's a real cool breeze. You feel that breeze, baby? It's a real cool breeze coming up here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Some trouble.
Some what trouble? You look good. You look like trouble.
Thank you.
Let me see them shoes again. Let me see them shoes again.
I'm trying to be no trouble.
All
day, all night.
Okay. You know the strip, y'all. This was crazy about the links. In the links, look what they got. Let's walk around. It's a food truck inside of the building. A food truck inside of it. When I say this food truck is bomb, it really is. This is a good food truck. Look, soda machine on the side. They got the menu right here for you. And even if you don't display, you don't just show it to you. They got the food on display for you. What it is, what it look like, what it tastes like. You know it's bomb, dog. They got the little water, they got the shit. Really great service. I'm telling you, it's open. I feel like it's open all night because I came over last night. Yeah, this is a real experience over here, y'all. Don't forget about this food truck and y'all at the links. Please, I know it's inside the building, but this is live. Some good food.
I got you. You see, the face is over here.
Train, okay.
What type of snake is that?
It's an albino boa.
Oh, albino. Oh, okay.
Hurry up and take it.
I took it.
Take a video too.
Let me take a video, okay?
You want to take a picture?
I'd love one.
All right, but
You like it, baby? You like it?
You're next.
Thank you.
I'm nervous. Here you go.
Hold on, give me one picture. I ain't get a picture
Hurry up,
yet.
baby.
Just hold
I'm
them right
trying to
there,
take
just like
it.
that. You're in charge,
Oh,
but you
he's
got it
sweet.
like that.
We sell on the spot. Las Vegas really good. It's so beautiful. So hopefully they can get the food, the barbecue. I'm not really hungry. We're gonna see. We got the ribs, we got the fries, and we gotta get down and see how good this tastes. We walking around some mall we ran into in Vegas. Wait, what's the name of this mall? Fashion show. So we're gonna look at everything. The Fashion Nova, right here, Fashion Show. So we was walking around, seeing this mall got the house. It's like a basic mall, but it's in Vegas. Y'all wanna come out, check out Fashion Show. Whenever y'all get time, whatever I use. Oh shit! What is that? Excuse me, Nike outlet. Oh, shoe pants. Okay, we're gonna check it. Yeah. Okay. Let's go check out yeah, I know. Shout out to Rihanna. Champion still a shit. I don't know. Is Champion still a shit? No. Wearing Champion? Express. We was walking around the mall. We was be in and out. What that kind of we got going on here? What a bracelet, very bracelet. I had to get baby something. We in Vegas, y'all, for the weekend, y'all. I had to get us something real nice. Can we put it on? Can we put it on? See. We gonna put it on, man. 2 carats, man. Baby girl, work it out. Let me see. What else? Oh, they got our other jewelry and things?
No, it's in my hand.
Yeah, we gonna. That's our wedding. My guy just got her this. Already got her that. 3 carats, different stones, diamonds. We're doing good, right? We're still waiting to get that shit together, but she getting right. Come back. You happy? You happy? You happy? You happy? Oh, there she on. Shook it now. Bracelet. Let me see the bracelet first. Let me see the bracelet. This how baby walk out. She got her new bracelet. Look. All of a sudden, she handicapped. What's wrong? And stay still. I'm out the restroom, y'all. She still walk. She got a bracelet. Now she's still walking like this. Oh my God.
I know that ain't here.
We back on food. We gotta go zip line, y'all.
That's flamingo.
We just walked straight out of the casino, straight out the links. We access straight outside. Tons of restaurants, tons of food, tons of daiquiris, tons of people. Any type of food you can imagine. See, this is the hotel casino. We people around y'all. This hotel casino. So right now, we about to go zip lining, and y'all gotta record it. You know I ain't scared. I'm about to do it. So I was spot right here. Just the stuff I seen out y'all. The night. Starbucks, all the good stuff. Caesar's Palace is literally right across the street. We gotta go way up here to the zip line thing across the city. I think it's only across this side of town. We're gonna find out. We're not scared, baby girl. You scared? You scared?
I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this since day 1.
Oh, she been wanting to do it.
Yes.
Okay. So baby girl wanting to do this since day 1. So we about to let her do the zip line thing. I'm about to do the zip line thing.
Hey,
Huh? What?
you too heavy.
I'm too heavy? What is that?
300 pounds.
I'm not 300 pounds.
You might as well be. With that big old head.
Oh. Is that a chicken cone? Like a chicken and jalapenos on a cone?
Baby, you gotta try
I
that.
never seen them. I'm trying. Never seen nothing. that look like? Oh, they get strong drinks. I'm gonna grab a drink, might not, we'll see. We gonna sit there for a minute, huh?
Yeah.
Cheers, shots go. Y'all follow them, scan the QR code. Follow Max's Las Vegas. Food definitely worth it, definitely affordable. Man, I know what I'm gonna get. You figure out what you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna get the buffalo chicken flatbread. That sounds really good. Either that or the chicken and fig.
Buffalo chicken flatbread.
Or the chicken and fig.
We at Max's, y'all. This food looks delicious.
Look how well the cheese is melting.
I know, it sounds cooking. It sounds good.
Perfect. It's delicious.
We about to get down. You about to get down, baby?
Yes, sir.
This the barbecue spot we chose tonight, y'all. Virgil's. Wait, let's go, baby. Where you gonna sit at, baby? Where they sitting at? We gonna get some good old-fashioned barbecue. Oh yeah. We about to get set up. Okay, it's right off the strip, by the way. It's right off the strip by Links Hotel. Ferris wheel, and I'll be at Virgil's. We just had this food come out, y'all. Hope that goes with us. Let's go. Oh, don't forget, y'all, we out here at Virgil's Barbecue. Whenever y'all out here in Vegas, please stop at Virgil's Barbecue, man. It's always good, man. It's always it's lit. Happy girls gonna be good, baby?
Fuck yeah, it is.
We killed it, y'all.
Look, baby, look.
We killed it, y'all.
Look at the baby.
Man, we can't, we're full, man. We're full, man. We tipsy, we outside, man. We outside.
We are. But these nachos were delicious. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Exactly.